Miguel and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and join the crew. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I take my lip swatch photos. I started my own cosmetics line 3 years ago and now I help others start their businesses, so make sure you follow me on my business page so you don't miss out. Without wasting time, let's get right into the video. First thing I do obviously is put on makeup. Sometimes I do full face makeup and sometimes I just do like half of my face because I'm only taking pictures of my lips, right? Do this first method I'm going to be doing, which is using a mirror. So you need a mirror. You also need your phone to take the pictures. First thing I do is I clean the back camera of my phone. Make sure it's clear. Just use the back camera and then place your mirror like this to see what's going on. So, like that. So the second method is by connecting your iPhone to your MacBook, connected to your laptop, and then you're going to open QuickTime Player. Basically, I'm going to link a video where you can watch how to connect your iPhone to your MacBook. That helps me see what's going on, as you can see. And again, I'm going to slide up and select the square like that. That's it for the video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope it was helpful. If you have any video requests, make sure you leave them down in the comment section. Also, I'm going to link everything that I used in this video down below, so make sure you check out the links. And thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe, like, comment, and let me know what you think about the video. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.